Imagine a machine with interlocking gears, not in a factory or a workshop filled with noise and metal, but hidden inside a living insect, the remarkable leafhopper quietly going about its life on a leaf. Deep in our gardens and meadows, this tiny creature possesses real biological gears, structures that actually mesh together with astonishing mechanical precision, just like the gears in our machines. Scientists, using powerful microscopes and advanced imaging techniques, discovered these intricate gears at the base of the leafhopper's hind legs. These gears ensure that both legs move in perfect synchrony, allowing the insect to launch itself into the air with incredible speed and accuracy whenever it jumps. This discovery is not just a fascinating curiosity, it blurs the line between biology and engineering, revealing that nature, through millions of years of evolution, can arrive at the same ingenious solutions as human inventors and engineers. The leafhopper's gears are a testament to evolution's creativity and problem-solving power, solving complex physical challenges with elegance, efficiency, and a touch of natural artistry. This tiny, often overlooked insect is, in many ways, a living machine, an example of how nature's wonders are often hidden in plain sight, waiting for us to notice and appreciate them. The story of the leafhopper invites us to look closer at the world around us, to be curious and observant, because who knows what other marvels and secrets await discovery right beneath our feet or on the next leaf we turn over. The leafhopper is a small, wedge-shaped insect found worldwide, feeding on plant sap with a straw-like mouthpart. Most are no bigger than a grain of rice, making them both hard to spot and vulnerable to predators. Their survival depends on quick escapes. Every vibration or shadow could mean danger. Leafhoppers live in a world of giants where a raindrop or a passing bird is a colossal threat. Their nymphs, wingless and even more vulnerable, must molt several times before adulthood. It's in this nymph stage that their remarkable gears come into play, enabling explosive, synchronized jumps. The constant threat of predators drove the evolution of this extraordinary mechanism. In the leafhopper's world, speed and precision are everything. Let's zoom in on the gears themselves, a marvel of natural engineering. These tiny structures, hidden from the naked eye, reveal a world of complexity and precision that rivals even the most advanced human-made machines. At the base of each hind leg, curved strips of exoskeleton are lined with rows of minuscule triangular teeth. Each tooth is perfectly shaped and positioned, forming a gear-like structure that is both delicate and incredibly strong for its size. When the nymph prepares to jump, these teeth mesh together with astonishing accuracy, locking the legs in place like the cogs of a finely tuned clock. This interlocking mechanism is crucial for the insect's survival, ensuring that both legs move in perfect harmony. This mechanical coupling guarantees that both legs push off at the exact same instant, preventing a disastrous spinning leap that could leave the nymph vulnerable to predators or injury. The jump itself is a feat of speed and power, happening in less than 0.02 of a second, so fast that nerve signals alone couldn't possibly coordinate the movement. By outsourcing synchrony to a physical system, the leafhopper achieves flawless coordination every time. This ingenious adaptation allows the insect to escape danger in the blink of an eye. Interestingly, these remarkable gears are only present in the nymph stage. As the leafhopper matures into an adult, it relies on friction between the legs instead of gears to coordinate its jumps. The gears are a temporary adaptation, essential for the vulnerable young nymphs, giving them a crucial advantage during their most fragile stage of life. As the insect grows stronger and its muscles develop, it no longer needs this intricate mechanism, and the gears disappear with each molt, replaced by a simpler system. Nature's solution is both elegant and efficient, using the gears only when they're truly needed, and then letting them go as the insect matures. It's a perfect example of evolution's resourcefulness and the incredible adaptations found in the natural world. Picture a leafhopper nymph on a stem, sensing danger. It crouches, locking its hind legs together with those tiny gears, storing energy like a loaded spring. The gears prevent premature release, holding the legs in perfect alignment as the muscles tense. When the moment comes, the insect releases all that energy in a split second. The gears force both legs to move in unison, launching the nymph with up to 500 times the force of gravity. The result is a blur, a perfectly aimed escape. The gear teeth are curved and asymmetrical, designed for smooth engagement and quick release. This entire process, from crouch to launch, is a masterpiece of speed and precision. Evolution has crafted a flawless, high-speed escape system from the simplest materials. The leafhopper's tiny, intricate gears invite a fascinating comparison with the machines we humans have built. Bicycles, watches, and even complex vehicles. All of these rely on interlocking gears to transmit force and motion, allowing for smooth, coordinated movement in our inventions. But while we construct our gears from rigid materials like steel and plastic, the leafhopper grows its gears from living cuticle, organic material that can actually repair itself or be discarded if damaged. Unlike our permanent, unchanging machines, the insect's gears are temporary. They're shed and replaced as the leafhopper grows, discarded when they're no longer essential for survival. Nature's approach is pragmatic and efficient. Build only what's needed for the moment, then recycle the materials back into the environment, leaving nothing to waste. Our gears are designed with careful planning and intention, crafted by engineers. In contrast, the leafhopper's gears are the result of countless generations of natural selection, trial and error over millions of years. Evolution, working without a conscious blueprint, has produced a mechanism in the leafhopper that is as precise and reliable as any human invention, if not more so. The end result is a living machine, one that is grown cell by cell rather than assembled from separate parts and capable of adapting as it develops. The leafhopper's biological gears remind us that nature's engineering can rival, and sometimes even surpass, the ingenuity of our own mechanical designs. It's a humbling and inspiring example of how the boundaries between life and mechanics can blur, showing us new possibilities for innovation. Mechanical perfection, it turns out, doesn't always require a conscious designer. Sometimes it's simply the product of nature's patient, relentless creativity. Why does the leafhopper need such a sophisticated system? Because its world is full of lightning-fast predators. Its jump is a pure escape mechanism. Speed and power are a matter of life and death. The gears enable power amplification, letting the insect store and unleash energy far beyond what its muscles alone could manage. Synchronization is crucial. A wild, tumbling leap could land it in even greater danger. The gears ensure a stable, controlled launch, propelling the insect to safety. Every feature of the leafhopper is tuned for survival, camouflage, feeding, and above all, escape. Its gears are the ultimate tool in a high-stakes game of predator and prey. In the leafhopper, evolution has created a true escape artist. The discovery of living gears in the leafhopper reminds us how much remains hidden in nature. For centuries, we thought gears were our invention, yet nature arrived at the same solution through evolution. The leafhopper challenges us to see the extraordinary in the ordinary, to look closer at the world around us. Its gears are just one chapter in nature's vast book of invention. These marvels inspire biomimicry, copying nature's designs for our own technology. Next time you see a tiny insect on a leaf, remember, it may hold secrets as astonishing as any machine. The greatest wonders are often found in the smallest details.